When the COVID-19 pandemic began, healthcare systems across the nation put many elective surgeries on hold. And now with people getting vaccinated and more space in hospitals, those surgeries have started back up.
But some surgeons have run into issues, and it has to do with people skipping routine health checkups. News 8's Allie Peters takes a closer look.
During the pandemic, many people have been skipping their regular healthcare checkups and screenings. It might be because they're scared about the pandemic and getting sick, or because they just don't feel like they have time. But area doctors say not going to those important appointments can impact a patient's care down the road. As more people put routine healthcare visits on hold during the pandemic, the effects are being seen elsewhere, one being elective surgeries.
We're getting some surprises at their pre-testing visits of either, things like poorly managed blood pressure or diabetes or more chronic conditions that have been neglected sort of during the last 12 months of the pandemic.
Things that are being missed without regular checkups can cause delays or complications in one getting an elective surgery.
If my patient has a problem with their blood sugar management, that's a bigger problem than their hip or their knee, because I want them to overall be healthy, happy, and live as long a life with as many quality years of living as possible.
Elective surgeries aren't the only thing being impacted. Screenings for breast cancer are also down.
As many as 10 to 15% of the screening patients that never came back in 2020 have come back at all.
Delaying screenings can make treatment harder in the future.
The studies do show that the cancers that are being found on screening now, because of the delay of last year, are larger. So we want to find cancers when they're the most treatable, and the time for that is when they're very small in size.
Health experts reminding you those checkups and screenings can be crucial to catching something early. Doctors say if you are skipping an important appointment or screening, they want to assure you they are going the extra mile to keep patients safe. That includes testing and vaccinating employees and extra cleaning. In Rochester, Allie Peters, News 8.
All right, Allie, thank you. Now, if you know someone who has delayed getting screened for breast cancer, Elizabeth Wendy Breast Care is holding free mammograms for uninsured women over the age of 40 on Saturday, May 8th.